Good morning, all students. Today, our day will start with the chapter 12, Changing Times. In this chapter, we will learn about the things changing as per the time. जैसे जैसे requirements होती हैं वैसे वैसे टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग चीज़ों की रिक्वायरमेंट्स अलग होती जाती है, उनका लुक, उनकी क्वालिटी और क्या क्या चेंजेस हमारी लाइफ में भी आते हैं, दैट वी विल लर्न इन दिस चैप्टर चेंजिंग टाइम्स. लेट्स स्टार्ट. माय नेम इज चेतन दास. Many years ago I used to teach children like you. These days I spend my time by writing about the days when I was young. I would love to share some of this with you. A big move. I remember the time when I was 9 years old. It must have been over 60 years ago. That was when we lived in Dera Ghazi Khan. Today, this place is in Pakistan. At that time, there were a lot of problems all around us. I could not understand what was happening. ये तब की बात है जब वो 9 years के थे, मतलब आज से 60 years पुरानी बात है. That time India was getting separated into two parts, Hindustan and Pakistan. So that time everyone were facing lots of problem. One day Baba told us that we had to leave our village and move to another place. I was sad to leave my house and my village. That was where I had all my friends, all of us, Baba, Amma, my younger brother and sister, and I took a train to come here, near Delhi. Like us, many people from our area also moved. People were saying that our country was being divided into two, India and Pakistan. Many people from India went to Pakistan, just like we moved to India. For some time, we all stayed in a camp. We lived in a big tents that were put up in a huge ground. जब ये सब हो रहा था तब बड़े से ग्राउंड में टेंट्स लगाए जाते थे और वहाँ पे लोगों को रखा जाता था. Those who are coming from Pakistan to India or those who are going from India to Pakistan. तो तभी उनकी पूरी फैमिली यहाँ पे आई थी. उसके मम्मी, पापा, छोटा भाई और बहन, सब लोग ट्रेन पकड़ के दिल्ली आ गए थे. A new home. One day Baba told us that we had been given some land in Sohna village. उनको सोहना विलेज में थोड़ी सी ज़मीन गवर्नमेंट ने दिया था. He said that we could build our house there. I was very happy. Baba and Amma worked hard to make the house. We children also helped. Baba dug the soil and we quickly filled the pans and passed them to Amma. Gudiya and Amma mixed husk in it. Baba put up the walls. Husk मतलब जो घास और मट्टी से बनता है वो गैदरिंग, वो सब उनको इकट्ठा करके बच्चे उनको एक पैन में, मतलब जो कढ़ाई जैसा बर्तन होता है उसके अंदर डाल के पास ऑन करते थे और बाबा और अम्मा घर बनाते थे. We brought cow dung from nearby houses. Amma mixed it with the mud. She coated the floor with the mixture. घर में, पुराने घरों में, गांव में जब देखते थे तब हम देखते थे कि गोबर और मिट्टी से लीपा जाता था, मतलब फ्लोर बनाया जाता था. Just like she used to do in our old house. Amma used to say that this would keep the insects away. कीड़े मकोड़े उनसे दूर रहेंगे. Then it was the turn for the roof to be made. अब छत बनाने की बारी. Baba made a frame by joining strips of wood and fixed it on the 4 walls. We put branches of neem and kekar trees on the frame so that termites would not harm the wood. सभी लोग जानते हैं कि दीमक होती है वो लकड़ी खा जाती है, बट दीमक कौन सी लकड़ी नहीं खा सकती? नीम एंड कीकर ट्री की. ये ट्री ऐसी होती है जिसमें दीमक यानी कि टर्माइट्स लगते नहीं हैं. Amma put old gunny bags on this and covered them with mud. Most of the houses around our house were made like ours. A few were different, but I liked my house the best. It was just like our old house. Find out and write. Talk to any one of your grandparents or any other elder person. Find out when she or he was 8 or 9 year old. जब वो 8 या 9 साल के थे तब. Where did she or he lived? तब वो कहाँ रहते थे? उनका प्लेस का नाम लिखना है. From what material was her or his house made? कौन से मटेरियल से उनका घर बना हुआ था? Normally the houses were made with the cow dung and mud. उसी से घर बनाए जाते थे. या फिर अगर अच्छा है then they were using bricks. Did they have a toilet in their house? If no, where was it? No, the toilet was not built in the house. It was made outside from the house. In which part of the house was food cooked? In which part of the house? कौन से घर के कोने में या जगह पे खाना बनाया जाता था? A lot of mud was used when Chetan Das house was made. Why? क्यों? क्योंकि तब सीमेंट अवेलेबल नहीं था. A lot of mud was used when Chetan Das house was made because that time the cement was not available and the houses were built with sand and mud. A changing house. Time passed quickly. I finished my studies and got a job. अम्मा बाबा wanted me to get married. जैसे जैसे टाइम चला गया चेतन दास बड़े होते गए और अभी उनकी शादी की उम्र हो गई. I thought that before I got married we should repair our house and build one more room. हर एक को एक खुद का रूम चाहिए और शादी के बाद तो उनको अलग से चाहिए होगा. अब तक तो वो सब लोग एक कमरे में रहते थे लेकिन अभी कोई नया मेंबर घर में आएगा so they had to spend a room for the new coming person. तो चेतन दास ने सोचा कि शादी करने से पहले we should renovate our house and make one more extra room. In those days people in cities were using cement. They said that this made the house stronger. We also thought we would use cement. We used iron and cement for making the roof of the new room. अभी पुराना जब टाइम था तब मड में से सारा बनाया गया था. Now the time has changed. Many years has passed. So now the industry has introduced something very good change, that is cement and iron. आयरन और सीमेंट से बनी हुई चीज लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होती है. That is why the new room was made from cement and irons. In those days, unbaked bricks were also available in the market. We made the walls with them. उन्होंने घर की दीवार किससे बनाई? Unbaked bricks से. The use of bricks was useful. We did not need to coat the wall every week. अब उनको वॉल को जो उन्होंने ब्रिक्स यूज किए थे तो उनको बार बार उसको काउडंग और मड से उनको कोट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी. Once a year we would whitewash the walls. We also built a small kitchen in the courtyard. The kitchen had a mud chula and place to keep the vessels. उन्होंने घर के कोर्टयार्ड में मतलब अगला जो हिस्सा होता है वहाँ पे छोटा सा किचन भी बनाया और मड मतलब मट्टी से बना हुआ चूल्हा भी बनाया और वेसल्स रखने की जगह भी बनाई थी. Then I got married and my wife Suman came to our new house. To cook, Suman used to sit on the floor in the kitchen. We also used to sit on mats in the kitchen and eat together. It was a happy time. देखो in picture you can see that the people are sitting in front of the person who is cooking and the mud chula on the mud chula she is cooking sitting nearby the place. People used to go out to the field for their toilet in those days. तब टॉयलेट घर में नहीं होते थे, सब खेत में या ऐसी जगह पे जाते थे जहाँ पे कोई आता जाता ना हो. Some of the houses had a separate place for this. We also made a small toilet with unbagged bricks behind the house. घर के पिछवाड़े पे उन्होंने भी एक टॉयलेट बनवा दिया. Chetan Das tells that people from the basti used to come to clean the toilets and take away the waste. They were not allowed to enter the house. Yes, in like बोलते हैं ना कि पुराने ज़माने में एंशियंट टाइम में लोग ऐसे बिलीव करते हैं द वन हु क्लीन्स द टॉयलेट आर नॉट अलाउड टू एंटर द हाउस. वी आर नॉट सपोज टू, वी कैन नॉट टच दैम एंड दे कैन नॉट ड्रिंक अ वाटर और एनीथिंग फ्रॉम आवर हाउस. द पीपल हु यूज द टॉयलेट डिड नॉट क्लीन दैम. The people who used toilets did not clean them. Discuss. Is there a toilet in your house? Who cleans it? ऐसा नहीं होता है. It's not like that. The people who uses the toilet do not clean them. Okay, some people were there who were very rich and they think that they are not made here to clean the waste. मतलब जो भी गंदगी होती है वो उनको साफ करना नहीं चाहिए. उनके लिए अलग से इंसान रखे गए हैं तो वो लोग उनको क्लीन नहीं करते हैं. बट नाउअडेज इट इज़ नॉट द सेम सिनारियो. नाउअडेज वी यूज टू गो इन द टॉयलेट्स एंड समहाउ वी ऑल्सो डू द क्लीन टॉयलेट्स एंड मोस्टली माई मदर और आर मदर यूज टू क्लीन द टॉयलेट्स एंड इट्स नॉट अ बैड थिंग. More changes. My 2 sons and daughter were born in that house. Time passed. The children completed their studies. 15 years ago, our daughter Simmi got married and moved to Palwal. When Raju was to get married, we felt that we should get the house ready for the new bride. Same way when Chetan Das got married, he made a new room for the new coming person. The same way when Raju is about to get married, he thought to make a new room for the new upcoming girl. By then, everyone was using baked bricks. We also used them for the walls and put a lintel for the roof. एक लिंटन बनाया जाता है मतलब एक छज्जा जैसा बनाया जाता है फॉर द रूफ. एंड नाउ दिस टाइम दे आर यूजिंग बैक्ड ब्रिक्स विच आर मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर देन द अनबैक्ड ब्रिक्स. We used marble chips and cement for a strong and fancy girl. By then, everyone was using baked bricks. We also used them for the walls and put a lintel for the roof. एक लिंटन बनाया जाता है मतलब एक छज्जा जैसा बनाया जाता है फॉर द रूफ. एंड नाउ दिस टाइम दे आर यूजिंग बैक्ड ब्रिक्स विच आर मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर देन द अनबैक्ड ब्रिक्स. We used marble chips and cement for a strong and fancy floor. In the toilet, we put pipes to take away the waste. The kitchen was made bigger. Now Raju's wife does not use the clay chulha. She stands while cooking on the gas stove. अभी मॉडर्नाइजेशन हो गया. चेतन दास और बड़े हो गए, उनके बच्चे भी बड़े हो गए, तो ऑलमोस्ट 20 years जितना टाइम स्पेंड हो गया. तो इन दिस 20 years they find backed bricks, they made the house, they put a lintel, one more room they created, they renovated their house, and now the kitchen is bigger than it was. And now Raju's wives don't have to sit besides the chula, but she can stand and cook on the gas stove. Sing new things. My younger son Montu moved to Delhi when he got a job there. Now he stays there with his family. Okay, now the one more Montu is also married and he is staying with his family. Suman and I stay with Montu for some months in a year. They are spending few months with Montu and with Raju in Sohna for the rest of the time. On the way to Delhi from Sohna, we go through the Gurgaon. So many big high-rise buildings have come up there. Now it's up also almost 40 to 50 years age difference year has passed. So they says the high-rises buildings are also there. A few years ago, Raju renovated the toilet and the bathroom. He used colored tiles in the bathroom. Imagine spending so much money for a place to have a bath. Now people are earning good amount, they are having good savings and salaries, so they are living their life with the luxuries. Okay, to have mud room to take a bath, it's okay, we can take a bath in that room also. But to have the money and to fill it luxury, we make it with the tiles and new tap and everything, and we make the toilet and bathroom more attractive, and we spend money behind it. I am now 70-year-old. In all these years, I have seen so many changes, even in my own house. I don't know where my grandchildren will want to live and how their house will be. I wonder what the house are like in Dera Ghazi Khan today, and how about all my friends? Where will they be? अभी उनको क्वेश्चन होता है कि राइट नाउ आई एम अ 70-year-old मैन एंड टुडे आई हैव नो आइडिया कि व्हाट आई हैव सीन हैज चेंज्ड सो मच. इट्स अ टॉक अबाउट व्हेन ही वाज 9-year-old. उनकी बात हो रही थी, आज वो 70 years के हो गए, तो ऑलमोस्ट 60 years हैज बिन पास्ड. तो 60 years जो पास हुए हैं या 61 years जो पास हुए हैं, उसमें उन्होंने बहुत सारे चेंजेस देख लिए. एंड ही इज सो श्योर दैट इन अपकमिंग ईयर्स जब उनके ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रंस होंगे तो वो भी पता नहीं कहाँ और कैसे घर में रहना चाहते होंगे. उनको ये पर जानना होता है कि देरा गाजी खान जहाँ पे वो पहले रहते थे, वहाँ के उनके फ्रेंड्स, उनके नेबर्स, वो सब कैसे हैं, वो कहाँ रहते हैं, वो कैसे रहते हैं, उनको कोई आइडिया नहीं है. What material have been used in making your house? This question should be written by yourself. For guidance, I can say, my house is made from cement, bricks and iron rods. Find out the material from which your friend's house is made. Is there any difference? Write about it. If is there any difference is there, surely write it down. If your friend's house is made from the wood, you can write here that my friend's house is made from wood and it is not that much strong as the house made from cement and bricks. What kind of house do you think Chetan Das grandchildren will live in? Obviously, the Chetan Das grandchildren will also be living in pakka makan made with cement, iron rods and bricks. Where would you like to live when you grow up? What kind of house would you like? This question should be answered by your own self. You had written about the things that your grandparents' house was made of. Has some of those material been used in your house? Name them. Well, my grandparents' house were made from bricks and they used cement also. They used unbaked bricks and stones. In my house, cement is used as my grandparents' house. My grandparent used to make his own house. People are given names according to the work they do. For example, a person who works with wood is called carpenter. In your place, what do you call a person who works with wood? Of course, a person who works with wood, we also call him carpenter because he makes furniture from this. Now look at the picture and fill in the table. What kind of work is being done by different people there? सब लोग यहाँ पे क्या क्या काम कर रहे हैं वो आपको लिखना है. What tools they shown using in the picture? Write them in the given below. Work, tool and what is the person called? जैसे work में देखते हैं, the one who builds the building is a mason and they are using bricks and cements. The next is a plumber. Plumber is fixing the pipelines and he is using some screws, drill machine and nuts. The next is an electrician who is working with electricity wires. And the machines he is using is screwdriver and wire cutter. तो यहाँ पे हमने वो सारे लिख दिए हैं. पर्सन क्या बोला जाता है वो भी हमने लिखा है। वर्क में जैसे प्लम्बर है तो प्लम्बिंग लिखेंगे, इलेक्ट्रिशियन है तो इलेक्ट्रिशियन है तो इलेक्ट्रिक लिखेंगे, और मेसन है तो वहाँ पे लिखेंगे मेकिंग ऑफ वॉल्स। Do you know people who do this type of work? Yes. Talk to them and find out about their work. Discuss it with your friends. अगर आपके घर में आसपास में कहीं पे कोई बिल्डिंग है और कोई कुछ काम कर रहा है तो आप वहाँ पे जाके उनको पूछ सकते हैं। With your teacher or someone from home, go to a place where a building is being constructed. मैंने जैसे अभी आपको बोला। Talk to the people working there and find out answers to these questions. ये क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स आपको ये एक्टिविटी करके यहाँ पे लिखने हैं। What is being built there? A building is built there. How many people are working there? More than 100 people are working there. What kind of work are they doing? They are constructing building. Some of them are fixing the pipelines and some are giving orders. How many men and women are there? There would be more women. There are more men than the women in the construction area. Are any children working there? What are they doing? No, the children are not working there. They are playing in sand and mud, and they are playing with stones. How much money do these people get paid daily? Ask for any 3 different people. Okay, the first one, the laborer is getting 300 rupees per day. The electrician is charging 500 rupees per day, while the structural engineer is getting 1000 rupees per day. You need to ask it to 3 different people, not the same workers. Okay. ये आंसर्स मैं आपको सिर्फ गाइड करने के लिए दे रही हूँ। इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल यू मस्ट विजिट अ प्लेस टू गेट द आंसर्स। Where do these people live? These people are living on the construction site. What are the materials being used for making the building? Most of the material used to make the building is sand, bricks, cements and concrete. मतलब कुछ पत्थरों का सामान। Try and guess how many trucks of bricks and bags of cement will be used for making the building. Try and guess. Almost number of bricks, thousands से भी ज़्यादा bricks यहाँ पे use होते हैं, and more than 1000 cement bags are used. How do the material reach to the building site? By truck, handcraft or any other vehicle. List them. Mostly the trucks are used to bring the material to the construction site or building site. Find out the price of 1 bag of cement, approx 200 rupees, 1 brick 3 or 5 rupees, 1 truck of sand almost 500 rupees. Ask a few other questions and write their answers. आप वहाँ पे हो, आप वहाँ पे पूछते हो, देखते हो और आपके दिमाग में कुछ क्वेश्चन आते हैं तो you must write here the questions with their answers. Over the 60 years, different material were used at different time in Chetan Das house. List them in the correct order. यहाँ पे हर एक चीज को ऑर्डर में लिखना है। 60 years, तो नंबर 1 में हम लिख सकते हैं काउ डंग एंड मड। नंबर 2 में लिख सकते हैं हम अनबेक्ड ब्रिक्स एंड सीमेंट। नंबर 3 बेक्ड ब्रिक्स, सीमेंट्स एंड आयरन रॉड्स। In number 4 you can write marble chips, cement, baked bricks, iron rods and tiles. मैं ये आंसर्स आपको बता रही हूँ and that you must write in your notebook. Let us make house. Divide the children in the class into 3 to 4 groups. Let each group make a model of a different house. For this you can use mud, wood, paper piece of cloth, shoe boxes, matchbox and colors. Place all the houses so as to construct a neighborhood colony. तो ये एक्सरसाइज आप सबको करना है. There are lots of questions in this chapter, so you'll get a textbook worksheet as well, the workbook copy for your reference. I hope you have understand that what materials are used, what changes have come during when the time passes, and you have understood this chapter very nicely. Wish you a healthy day and a healthy future. Stay at home, be safe.